Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 48,000 piece bedazzling kit. My daughter loves bedazzling things. I mean, our house is filled with bedazzled things. So this kit is perfect for her. She's been working on putting a little bit on the top of this Vaseline lid. And these beads, they're 3mm beads, and there are 60 different colors. And I absolutely love how these are all organized. In this little container, they each have their own individual little compartment, and you can just see how glittery and beautiful they are. And you don't have to just reach in here and use your fingers because they give you tweezers. So you can easily get in here, grab out whatever beads you're wanting to do, place them around. You have a little pencil if you're wanting to mark on something to be able to know, where you're going. You have a nice white pencil. And you have 5 of these B7000 glues, this nice little point on here. You got your little tray so you can use the beads, pull out a few, put them on a tray. That way they're not going to roll off. You've got 2 of these films, and you have this little guy. You can actually scoop up the different bedazzled beads with this little spoon here and then put it on your tray. And then you have these different tips so that you can actually put in here and be able to use for different things in different projects. You even have like a little roller that you can roll. I mean, it's got literally everything you need, whether you're doing nail art, bedazzling different things, different art craft projects. This is a great kit that has 60 different colors and 48,000 pieces to keep them entertained for hours.